Good day, my name is Izak Myburgh. In this video I'm going to present to you the SuperTime time and attendance software package. SuperTime features. It works on any Windows platform. It's a single or multi-user networked system, manages both fixed and flexi-time shifts. It's easy to repair employee errors, seamless integration to the payroll system, and much more. SuperTime logon. SuperTime is password protected. Each user gets his own username and password. This ensures program security and prevents any unauthorized access. SuperTime comes standard with an audit trail. This is what the main SuperTime screen looks like. Software setup part 1. Used to set up additional users, default program settings, e.g. pay rates, etc. The shifts worked by your employees and how these shifts are rotated. Program options. Each copy of the software is individually licensed. All other program defaults are set up here. Report naming conventions, previous calculation dates, duplicate time removal, etc. Shift setup. An unlimited number of shifts can be set up. Each shift is broken up into various blocks. Each block is assigned a pay rate for a normal day and a public holiday. The different tea and lunch times are also set up here. This allows for very complex work rules. Daily targets, calculation methods, holiday pay methods, and time rounding rules. Work patterns. An unlimited number of patterns can be set up. Automatic shift recognition can be set up where a definite in and out reader is installed. Shift rotation is set up where only one reader is used, e.g. one weekday, then night, then afternoon, and then day again. Your weekly and or monthly targets are also set up here for filling up hours before overtime. Software setup part 2. Set up different companies, report centers and departments for splitting employees. Set up of absenteeism reasons. Setting up of employee details. Assigning public holiday dates. Company, department and report center setup. Unlimited number of companies, etc. can be set up. Company codes are especially important for payroll export. Reports can be filtered by any of these groups. Absenteeism reasons. An unlimited number of reasons can be set up here. Must the employee be assigned a shift, true or false? Used for shift counting. For example, 5 shifts per week. How much of the scheduled hours must the employee be given? For example, 30% of 9 hours is 2.7 hours for maternity leave if the other 70% is claimed from the UIF fund. Public holiday setup. Used for entering holidays and other paid off days. More than one set of holidays can be set up. For example, Christian holidays, Jewish holidays, Muslim holidays, etc. It is as simple as double-clicking on the relevant days. The employee setup. Most of the fields are self-explanatory. Button number is a unique identifier from the clocking system. Absenteeism can be planned up to 5 times in advance. A photograph of each employee can be shown for easy identification when you don't know everyone. SuperTime reporting. The default Windows printer is used to generate reports. 25 sections at 3 ways each give you over 75 different reports. Any report not available as standard can be custom written. The report filter. All reports use the same filter. Select individual employee, select from and to dates, split by selected group, print to screen first to see if it is the report you wanted, print only 1, 2, 3, etc. employees per page or fill up each page. Click on OK and you're off. Sample report 1, full report. The most common report as it gives you all the information available on one report. Print and give to the supervisors for corrections and approval. Editing of times. All employees' mistakes can be easily rectified. Simply select the date, click on the plus and enter the clocking. The employees' hours are recalculated automatically. Sample report 2, absenteeism. Shows the employees who are always sick on Fridays and Mondays. See how many days an employee has been sick, on leave, AWOL, etc. Absenteeism after the fact. If the employee brings in a sick note, simply change the absenteeism code to the correct reason. The employee's hours are amended accordingly. Sample report 3, late or left early. Catch those repeat offenders who are always late and or who always leave early. Sample report 4, compact. Need to save paper. Print this weekly summary report showing the first in and the last out clocking. Sample report 5, final report. Print this report to check the hours to be exported to the payroll. Can also be emailed or faxed to your payroll administrators. In conclusion, a few ideas on why you should consider SuperTime. SuperTime was written 17 years ago. It stood the test of time, is thoroughly field tested. It does not have any bugs anymore. It has more than 47,000 registered users. It established itself as the de facto industry standard. It is the only time and attendance system with full backup and support. That brings us to the end. Thank you.